Hi, I'm Jade. I live and breathe appliances here at AO. Basically, if it plugs in, spins or chills, I'm your girl. The fridge freezer is an appliance you find in every household. But there are plenty of myths floating around about how they work, how to use them, and how to keep them running efficiently. So I'm here to break down the most common fridge freezer myths, separating fact from fiction. That's a myth. You can't put hot food straight into the fridge or freezer. You need to let it cool down first. We advise giving it at least 30 minutes and no longer than 2 hours. Cooling your food for longer than 2 hours puts it into the danger zone, where harmful bacteria can multiply rapidly. Now, you could just leave it on the counter, but there are a few ways of speeding this process up. Try placing your food into an ice bath. So, pop some ice into a bowl, pop your food onto a plate, and pop that on top. Place your food under a kitchen extractor fan for at least half an hour. Place the food as close to the fan as possible so it pulls away the heat. Divide your food into smaller containers. Grab yourself some Tupperware and start splitting your food up. This allows for it to cool down as the heat is released in the surrounding areas. The key? Make sure that your food has cooled down to around 20 degrees Celsius before you put it into the fridge freezer. Many people think that freezing food kills bacteria. It doesn't. It mostly just stops it from growing. If the food was unsafe before it went into the freezer, it's going to be unsafe after thawing. Once the food is defrosted, any bacteria or germs present can become active again and multiply if the food isn't handled or stored correctly. But if you're still unsure, the safest thing to do is get rid of it. Fresh food is always more nutritious than frozen food. That's a myth. This is not actually the case. And while very fresh food can be nutrient rich, shop-bought fresh food may lose those qualities during storage and transportation. So, locking in the goodness at the freezer helps preserve nutrients and flavour, meaning they can be just as nutritious as fresh food, and sometimes even better. Cleaning your fridge freezer isn't the most exciting job in the world, but it's really important. Although they don't require any manual defrosting, I'm afraid to say they do still need some basic maintenance. This includes checking for any signs of freezing over or ice buildup, making sure the inside is clean, ensuring the vents are not blocked, and checking the door seals to make sure the freezer does not become less efficient. If you can keep on top of these basic jobs, not only will it help the technology work better, your fridge freezer will cost less to run and live longer too. It might seem logical that turning your fridge or freezer to the coldest setting will keep your food fresher for longer, but in reality, colder isn't always better. In fact, it can damage food, reduce quality, and even lead to faster spoilage. We advise keeping your fridge temperature consistent, between 3 to 5 degrees. Colder than this doesn't improve freshness. Fruit, veg, and dairy can partially freeze if your fridge is too cold, leading to mushy textures, separation, and faster spoilage. Extra low temperatures can cause freezer burn and dry out food. The best approach is to keep your fridge at a steady temperature and at about 70 to 80% full. This allows for proper airflow and a consistent temperature. It isn't always recommended to put food in the freezer in its original packaging, as some packaging isn't airtight and can lead to freezer burn, affecting the food's flavour and appearance. To help prevent this, it's best to use airtight containers or freezer-safe bags, making sure that food is clearly labelled with what it is and the date it went in. Unfortunately, frozen food doesn't actually last forever. If it's stored properly at -18 degrees or below, it stays safe to eat, but that doesn't mean it stays at its best. Over time, the quality declines, so it's recommended to use it within the first few months. For example, meat lasts between 3 to 12 months, fish between 2 to 8 months, and leftovers around 2 to 3 months. Actually, where you store your food in the fridge really matters. Different sections have different temperatures. It's cooler at the bottom and warmer at the top, and using them properly can help food last longer and cut down on waste. Ready to eat goes at the top. Dairy goes in the middle, Raw meat and fish go on the bottom shelf, making sure these are sealed and secure. And finally, jams, sauces and condiments go in the doors. The doors are actually the warmest part of the fridge, so keep the milk out. So while fridge freezers might seem simple, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. By understanding the facts behind the myths, you can help your appliance run smarter, for longer, and more efficiently, which should save you money and keep your food fresher for longer.